If you have diabetes, pay attention. Today, we're revealing 9 amazing foods that won't spike your blood sugar. And at the end, we'll share a powerful tip that could change the course of your diabetes. Stay until the end so you don't miss this valuable secret. 1. Peanuts. Peanuts are a nutritious, accessible, and tasty option for those who need to control their blood sugar. They belong to the nut family, just like walnuts and almonds, but have the advantage of being much more affordable and easy to find, making them an excellent choice for daily consumption. Rich in healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, peanuts help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, both essential for diabetes management. Additionally, their high protein and fiber content promotes satiety, preventing blood sugar spikes caused by excessive hunger. Despite their benefits, moderation is key. Peanuts are calorie-dense, and consuming them in excess can lead to weight gain, which may negatively impact blood sugar control. The best approach is to include them in your diet without overdoing it, and always opt for unsalted and oil-free versions. 2. Tomato. Tomatoes are much more than just a salad ingredient. With low carbohydrates and a high amount of vitamins and antioxidants, they are an excellent ally for those who need to keep blood sugar levels under control without sacrificing flavor. One of their biggest advantages is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the heart, reduces inflammation, and may even support prostate health. But here's an important detail. Lycopene is better absorbed when tomatoes are cooked, such as in homemade sauces. To maximize its benefits, adding a drizzle of olive oil can triple its absorption in the body. Since tomatoes have a low impact on blood sugar, they can be eaten freely, whether raw, cooked, or in dishes like sauces and soups. However, be cautious with store-bought tomato sauces, as many contain hidden sugars that can raise blood sugar levels without you noticing. 3. Coffee. Coffee can be a great ally in diabetes management. Rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, it helps improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 33%. Additionally, moderate coffee consumption is linked to a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, a common concern for diabetics. The ideal amount is up to 600 milliliters per day, or about 3 200-milliliter cups. This moderate intake provides benefits without causing side effects like insomnia, anxiety, or irritability. For those sensitive to caffeine, decaffeinated coffee still retains antioxidants and can be a good alternative without impacting blood sugar levels. Another important factor is coffee's relationship with cortisol, the stress hormone. When consumed in excess or too early in the morning, coffee can raise cortisol levels, making blood sugar control more difficult. The best approach is to drink coffee after breakfast, instead of on an empty stomach to reduce this effect. To keep coffee healthy, avoid sugar. If you need to sweeten it, opt for stevia or erythritol, which do not affect blood sugar. Also, avoid adding creamers and flavored syrups, as they often contain hidden carbohydrates that can spike glucose levels. 4. Cocoa. Who said chocolate has to be a villain? Pure cocoa is rich in iron and antioxidants, helping to lower blood pressure and support heart health. Its powerful compounds can also reduce inflammation and improve overall well-being. The recommended daily amount is 30 grams, whether in pure cocoa powder or dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa. This way, you can enjoy its benefits without negatively impacting blood sugar levels. Avoid milk chocolate or heavily sweetened versions, as they can cause blood sugar spikes and cancel out cocoa's positive effects. Always check labels to ensure you're choosing chocolate with minimal added sugars. Before revealing the next food that won't spike your blood sugar, I ask you to like this video. Your support helps more people with diabetes, access this valuable information and improve their health. 5. Chicken. Chicken is an excellent source of lean protein and contains no carbohydrates, meaning it does not impact blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for people with diabetes. Besides being affordable and versatile, chicken helps promote satiety and support weight management, both essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. To make it even healthier, remove the skin before eating, as it is high in saturated fats, which can increase cholesterol levels and negatively affect heart health. 6. Fish. Fish is one of the best sources of lean protein for people with diabetes. It contains no carbohydrates, does not raise blood sugar, and provides essential nutrients for overall health, making it a must-have for maintaining stable glucose levels. Fatty fish rich in omega-3s, such as salmon, sardines, and tuna, are especially beneficial as they help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect heart health. Studies show that regular omega-3 intake can lower the risk of cardiovascular complications, which are a major concern for diabetics. If you think eating fish frequently is expensive, sardines are one of the best and most affordable options. Additionally, fish like tilapia and hake, while lower in omega-3s, are still great sources of high-quality protein and help promote satiety, preventing blood sugar fluctuations. To maximize the benefits, opt for baked, boiled, or grilled fish, avoiding fried preparations that introduce unhealthy fats and can harm metabolism. The ideal intake is at least 2 to 3 times per week to ensure a balanced consumption of essential nutrients. 7. Eggs. For a long time, eggs were seen as unhealthy, but the truth is, they are a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in high-quality protein, choline, and B vitamins, they support brain function, muscle health, and even blood sugar regulation. The yolk is not the enemy, as many believe. Eating whole eggs in moderation is completely safe. Consuming 1 to 2 eggs per day is an excellent way to enjoy their benefits without overdoing it. However, excessive consumption, such as 12 to 15 eggs per day, may overload the metabolism and pose potential health risks. Moderation is key to making the most of this superfood. 8. Eggplant. Eggplant is an excellent ally for people with diabetes. It is low in carbohydrates and rich in soluble fiber, which helps control blood sugar levels by slowing down sugar absorption and preventing unwanted glucose spikes. Additionally, eggplant protects heart health by reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, and increasing good cholesterol, HDL. This makes it a great food for preventing cardiovascular diseases, which pose a higher risk for diabetics. To fully enjoy its benefits, include eggplant in your meals baked, grilled, or even raw in salads. A great way to prepare it is with olive oil and herbs, enhancing the flavor without compromising your health. 9. Guava. Many fruits can cause blood sugar spikes, but guava is an exception. With a low glycemic index, it releases sugar into the bloodstream slowly and steadily, preventing sharp glucose fluctuations. Additionally, its high fiber content helps slow down carbohydrate absorption, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes. Beyond blood sugar control, guava is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory compounds, which boost immunity and support heart health. To put it into perspective, 100 grams of guava contains more vitamin C than an entire orange, helping to reduce inflammation and improve vascular health, a crucial factor for diabetics. Another lesser-known benefit is found in the peel and seeds, which contain even more fiber and antioxidants. For maximum benefits, it's best to eat the whole fruit. If you're looking for a delicious and balanced snack, try pairing guava with cottage cheese or ricotta, a combination that helps prevent blood sugar spikes while providing essential nutrients. If you're searching for other diabetes-friendly fruits, great options include strawberries, avocados, and kiwis, all of which have low fructose content and high fiber levels, helping to regulate blood sugar without compromising your health. Bonus tip. Now, I want to share something that can truly change the course of your diabetes. One practice I often see diabetics neglecting is monitoring how foods affect their blood sugar individually. Although these 9 foods generally do not raise blood sugar, diabetes is highly individual, and we still don't fully understand why some foods impact people differently. I've seen cases where a food considered safe for diabetics actually caused a blood sugar spike in a specific person. I remember a patient telling me that his blood sugar rose after eating avocado, a fruit I usually recommend for its health benefits. At first, I was skeptical, but we decided to test it. We measured his blood sugar before eating, and again 2 hours later. To my surprise, his glucose levels had actually increased. This example proves how diabetes can vary from person to person. What works for one may not work for another. That's why tracking your own blood sugar and understanding how your body responds to different foods is essential. It helps you make smarter choices and allows your nutritionist to create a personalized meal plan tailored to your needs. According to the American Diabetes Association, the recommended blood sugar levels 2 hours after eating are, for non-diabetics, up to 140 milligrams per deciliter. For diabetics, up to 180 milligrams per deciliter. If your blood sugar frequently exceeds these levels, that food may not be the best option for you. Monitoring is the key to keeping your blood sugar in check and making safer dietary choices. If you've made it this far, you've already taken an important step toward transforming your health. Small daily choices, like understanding which foods support your blood sugar and how your body reacts to them, can make a huge difference in the long run. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up the pleasure of eating. It means learning to make smarter choices that will lead to a better quality of life. And now that you know 9 foods that won't spike your blood sugar, imagine combining this diet with the best juices for diabetics. Yes, some beverages can further help regulate blood sugar and provide additional health benefits. If you want to discover the 7 best juices every diabetic should drink, click on the video appearing on your screen now. You'll be surprised by some of these options. See you in the next video.